If you really want to lighten your skin tone, this lightening bar soap is for you. It can help to lighten your skin to give you a 2 shade lighter complexion. It has exfoliating properties that can help to exfoliate dead skin cells from your skin to give you a radiant skin tone without any side effect. No irritation and no discoloration, and it's super easy to make. Now if you're interested, let's get down to business. Hi friend, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing well. In this video today, I'll be teaching you how to make skin lightening bar soap. And how to make your skin lightening bar soap. Here are all the requirements. The first thing you need is soap base, and for the soap base you can use any good soap base of your choice. In here I have my glycerin soap base. Now if you have been following this channel, this is the soap base we made about a week ago. I think that should be 1 week ago, right? I made it on the 15th of November and today is 22nd of November. So that's it, exactly 1 week. And as you can see, the soap base is still clear. And if you're just joining for the first time, yes, we made this without fractionated coconut oil. And as you can see, the soap is still clear after a week. Just take a look at it. It's still very much clear. You can check it out on my previous video to learn how to make your glycerin soap base without fractionated coconut oil. Yeah, so that's it. And if you haven't seen the video, please check my previous video. There you see details of everything you need to know about how I made this transparent soap base. So all you have to do is to get your soap base. You can use any soap base of a choice. You can use goat milk soap base. You can use carrot soap base. You can also use papaya soap base. But I highly recommend you doing this with papaya soap base or carrot soap base since it's for skin lightening. Using papaya or carrot soap base will actually help to boost the effectiveness of this lightening soap. So I'm making do with this because this is what I have at the moment. So if you're able to get a carrot soap base or a papaya soap base or even goat milk soap base, you can work with it. So that's it. Now moving on. After getting your soap base, start by measuring out all the ingredients. So the first ingredient I have here is my glycerin soap base, and I'll be using 350 grams of glycerin soap base. So if you want to also make it in a small quantity, you can just divide the measurement I have here into two. Just divide it into 2 equal parts. And for the to increase the measurement, all you have to do is to double. Yeah, that's it. So I'll be using 350 grams of soap base, and in here I have 356 grams. I'll be using it like that. I'll be using 356 grams, but just in case you want to follow this up, you can use 350 grams. So all you have to do is to get your soap base and then cut it into smaller chunks because you're going to dissolve this before using it. So if you're using any soap base, just divide it, cut it into chunks, and after that you can then move on to the next step. Now this is me still showing you that this soap is still clear. As you can see, it's still very much clear. So if you're interested, just give it a shot. It's super easy. You can check my previous video to learn how to make your own soap base. So the video is here on my channel. So all you have to do is follow exactly what is in the video and you'll be able to achieve this. I think in my next video, I'll be teaching how to make a transparent soap base without using ethanol, which is alcohol. Yeah, and that is actually way better than this. In case you want to still wait for that, the next one, you can also wait for it because it's actually better than this. That one will be made without ethanol, and ethanol is alcohol, which honestly I don't really like it because of the alcohol content in it. So I'll be dropping a video on how to make your soap base without using alcohol, but not like it's entirely bad though. It's not bad, yeah, but just preference. I just don't like it like that, although it's good but not really the way I like skincare. I just like natural skincare. Yeah, so if you have been following my channel, you know that I'm all about natural, anything natural. Yeah, and that's why my name is Naturally Gift. So that's it. So if you want to, you can wait for the next video on how to make your soap base without alcohol, or you can follow exactly the one already in the channel to make your soap base. I mean, it's good. That's exactly what I'm using here, as you can see it. So all you have to do is cut your soap base into chunks. We're going to dissolve it using a double boiler method. So for the double boiling method, all you have to do is to boil water with a saucepan, and once the water starts to simmer, you can place the bowl of your soap base in the simmering water and then allow it to dissolve. Please do not pour the soap into the water. All you have to do is to place your heat proof bowl in the steaming water and then leave it there to dissolve, just as you see it now. So when everything is properly dissolved, you can bring it down from the heat and then move on to the next process. Now this is a melt and pour soap. Immediately you bring it down from the heat, just go on and add the remaining ingredients before it solidifies. That's it. Immediately you bring it down from the heat, go on and start adding the following ingredients. Now the next ingredient you need is orange peel powder, and this is a very good ingredient for this because it contains lots of benefits. Orange peel powder contains a good amount of provitamin A. It also contains vitamin B6, and more especially it has exfoliating effect, which means that it can help to exfoliate your skin to get rid of dead skin cells, and that way you can be able to achieve a radiant skin tone. So exfoliation is good when it comes to skincare, so having ingredients like this that adds in exfoliation is very good. So adding orange peel powder in this is going to boost the effectiveness, so do well to add orange peel powder. So after adding the orange peel powder, mix well, and the next ingredient you'll be needing is rice powder. This is an essential ingredient for me because it contains lots of benefits. Rice powder contains lightening properties. It also contains exfoliating properties, which is very important in skincare. Exfoliation is very important. Making sure to exfoliate your skin helps you to obtain a radiant skin tone. Rice powder can gently remove dead skin cells, leaving your skin smoother and brighter, and it also contains anti-aging properties. Eggs oil control by absorbing excess oil and toning the skin easily. And not just that, it also adds in skin elasticity, which help boost collagen production and also help maintain skin elasticity to stay firm. So it's an essential ingredient. It has lots of benefits. You can check it out. So after adding the rice powder, go on and mix well. Make sure to mix until all the lumps is properly dissolved, or you can dissolve the rice with glycerin before adding it. That way you avoid lumps. And after that, the next thing you need is alpha arbutin. Now this is one of the most important ingredients here. It's very essential and contains lots of benefits that can help boost the effectiveness of the skin lightening soap. It helps in reducing melanin formation, which can help with the appearance of age, spots, freckles, and post-inflammatory pigmentation. And alpha-butane is a safe alternative to hydroquinone, which is known as the gold standard of skin lightening. Another important thing is that alpha-butane is generally well tolerated. It doesn't make the skin more sensitive to the sun, which is very important compared to other skin lightening serum. So I prefer alpha-butane to this. So adding alpha-butane will help to boost the effectiveness of this lightening bar soap. So after adding alpha-butane, go on and mix properly well. And if you have vitamin E capsule, you can do well to add it. I didn't have it at the moment, so I had to do without it. So after mixing all these ingredients, the next thing to do is to go on and transfer your soap into a soap mold. If you have a soap mold, just go on and pour it into your soap mold. If you don't have a soap mold, you can use any plastic plate to mold your soap. Yes, it's that easy and simple. So what I'm trying to add in the soap mold is lavender. This is lavender leaf, which I mostly like for my skincare. Especially any skincare that I avoid adding fragrance, I make sure to use either cinnamon powder or lavender leaf. That way the fragrance will infuse into the soap, and then the soap will smell very nice without me having to add any synthetic fragrance. So that's it. Now moving on, transfer the soap into a soap mode. Now this is something I like doing. When transferring the soap into a soap mode, I make sure to leave this damp part where I have more of the orange peel powder, and I'll be using it to exfoliate my skin. I'll show you what I mean after the soap solidify. So transfer it into a soap mode, and then you leave it for about an hour or two to solidify. But I actually left this for like 3 hours, so leaving it to solidify, you can leave it for like an hour or two or even more than that. So this is after 3 hours, and as you can see, it turned out really good and beautiful. And yeah, I love this soap mode. The design is really beautiful. So that's it. And you can see the lavender as well. This soap smells really good with this lavender leaf. It smells really good. You can either use lavender or you can use cinnamon powder. Yeah, it's really good. It smells really good. There you have this natural fragrance without you using any fragrance. So that's it. Now this is the down part where we have more of the rice powder and orange peel powder. Now this can help to easily exfoliate your skin without you using any body scrub. All you have to do is to use this bar and scrub your skin every night. So when you want to shower, you don't have to use any sponge. All you have to do is to use this bar where you have more of the orange peel powder and rice powder to scrub your skin. Just run it all over your skin, and it will help to exfoliate your skin. Yeah, and also if you have dark knuckles, dark elbow, dark knees, or dark underarm, you can always use it to scrub every night. And yes, it will help to slough off the dead skin cells there, to give you a radiant skin tone by clearing all the dark spots. Now the thing is that once your skin is exfoliated, whatever good product you apply on your skin will easily work, because exfoliation helps to unclog skin pores, and that way your skin will be ready to take whatever food you feed it. So that's it. Making sure that your skin is exfoliated is very important. It might not be this particular product. You can try any exfoliating product like body scrub or any good exfoliating product, or you can even make a rice mask by mixing rose water with rice powder, and then you use it to scrub your skin. That way it can exfoliate your skin. It can also unclog your pores to give you a radiant skin tone, and it will make your skin more smoother. Trust me when I tell you this, exfoliating is very important. So that's it about how to make your skin lightening bar soap. Is super easy and simple, and trust me when I tell you that this will help to lighten your skin, to give you a radiant skin tone without any side effect like dark spot, discoloration, or any type of skin irritation. So friend, that's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching, and if you're just joining me for the first time, my name is Gifty, and I'm super excited to welcome you to the Gifting family. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, and also turn on your notification bell so that you'll be the first to watch my next video. And at the end of this video, please do not forget to share this video to your friends, and also leave your comments down below and give this video a thumbs up. And to my beautiful, wonderful, and amazing gift team, thank you so much for being here, and stay blessed. So guys, I'll see you in my next video, but before then, stay blessed and keep loving one another. Bye.